Alright everybody, this is Maharshi MD from Webexpt Media, and in this video I will going to showing you how we can transform this simple drawing into the vectorized drawing. And this is the animation asset background version, so that will be useful for many people if they want this background in their animation. If they want to hire me to develop this kind of sketch version for them, then feel free to contact me. They can contact me. I'm open for the freelancing project. So in this video I will going to showing you how we can transform this simple sketch into the vector version. So let's get to it. See that this is the our final image. This is the 2D animation asset. That means that this whole project is for to create an animation background or animation scene where it can be animate anything, like let's say if something is conversation is between about sea, boat, and the nature view, then they can use this image. But definitely if you need something to create in my style, or if you have something in a sketch and that you want to do the dressing and color correction, then definitely you can feel free to contact me anytime. But this is the our final artwork, that is about 2D sketch transformation into fully vectorized. As you can see, this is the all about to create a 2D animation in a Moho in the next video. Definitely that takes some time, but as you can see, this is every single elements can be animated in the Moho. Everything can be movable, so we can export this each element, and then we can animate it inside the Moho. Skies and the clouds, everything. Let's say the clouds are moving from here to here, every single one, and we can animate that in the Moho in my next video. Like clouds are going from here, the boats are moving from here to here, this boat will go to here to here, and the sharks are moving from here to here, and so on. So this is the all about to create animation asset background for the Moho. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, feel free to let me know. If you have any freelancing project like this, you can feel free to contact me anytime. Thank you so much. This is MD from Webexpt Media.